Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by the Pineview Medical Clinic. It's a clinic that is open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me now is Mark Kramer from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Mark, thanks for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me, Chelsea.
Absolutely. And we know this technology really is the latest breakthrough for men who struggle with ED. Can you tell me a little bit more?
Yeah, absolutely. So at Pineview Medical Clinic, we do have that breakthrough treatment for ED. It is called acoustic wave therapy. Acoustic wave therapy treats the root cause. In most guys, that is a lack of blood flow. You take a look at the left side of your screen there. You can see we use a small device. This is not invasive, guys. Small device is placed on top of the skin. That delivers pressure waves, gentle pressure waves, to the damaged blood vessels below. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see what happens after that acoustic wave therapy. Those blood vessels have been repaired, and now you have more blood flowing where and when you need it the most. And very importantly here, guys, this will allow spontaneity to return to your relationship.
And Mark, this shockwave therapy, it's needle-free, it's surgery-free, and it's drug-free, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So, and there is no pain involved either. So, yeah, this isn't non-invasive. So, no needles, no surgeries. There are no side effects, and there's absolutely no pain either.
And Mark, this isn't something that you guys just came up with out of thin air. This has been backed by so many different studies and publications. Tell me about those.
Yeah, so you can go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, guys. We have the links to 60 studies from 5 different countries, some of those studies coming from Cambridge University, as well as the Cleveland Clinic. You boil it all down, though, what these studies show are both the safety as well as the effectiveness in utilizing acoustic wave therapy in treating the root cause of ED.
Absolutely. And Mark, ED is a serious medical condition, but there is hope. Tell us about the difference between what you guys are doing at the Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available in the marketplace.
Yeah, absolutely. So no pills, no injections, no surgeries at Pineview Medical Clinic. Now, keep in mind, guys, the pills have been around for a long time. A quarter of a century those pills have been around. Those pills only treat the symptoms of ED. They only give a temporary increase in the blood flow. With our acoustic wave therapy, though, as you can see on the screen, because we are repairing those blood vessels with the acoustic waves, the blood will be flowing where and when you need it the most. There is no planning needed either. This acoustic wave therapy will allow the spontaneity to return to the relationship. If you're one of those guys that's been taking pills, you know you have to plan around the desired activity. There are timing issues. There can be side effects as well. Both of those can get in the way of the desired outcome.
Well, you don't have to worry about that when you visit the Pineview Medical Clinic. It's no pills, no invasive injections or surgery. This is pretty incredible. Mark, you mentioned that neovascularization. Can you give us a breakdown of how this technology actually works?
Yeah, so because, well, part of it is we're repairing the existing blood vessels, right? On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see what those blood vessels look like after the acoustic wave therapy. There is another process called neovascularization in which new blood vessels grow. So again, the bottom line here, guys, is good quality blood flow where and when you need it the most. You can take the planning of the pills off the table because now you will have that natural spontaneity returning to your life.
And Mark, I just have one final question for you. Is there any recovery time from this procedure?
No recovery time whatsoever. So the average guy is going to need several treatments over the course of a 2 to 3 week period. Those treatments last about 15 minutes each. So if a guy wanted, he could schedule that treatment on his lunch hour, come in, have the treatment, and then he walks out feeling perfectly normal, gets back to his normal daily activities. So yeah, it doesn't take a whole lot of time. And again, there is no pain involved with this either. No downtime, no side effects.
Well, Mark, thank you so much for being here with us today. St. Louis, if you're at home and you're watching and you're interested in making an appointment with the Pineview Medical Clinic, all you have to do is pick up the phone, give them a call. That number is 314-530-7777, or you can just visit them online at pineviewmedicalclinic.com. There is a special offer for you today, but you have to pick up the phone and figure out exactly what it is. Don't go anywhere, St. Louis. We'll be right back after this quick break.